won the order. A $1 million purchase order from a strong buyer, signed and confirmed. Then the math hits. Materials and production run $600K. Your account holds $200K, and the customer won't pay for 60 days after delivery. You've got the demand. You don't have the cash to fill it. And turning down a confirmed order, that sends your buyer straight to a competitor. Here's the thing. The order itself is the asset. PO financing funds your suppliers directly, so production starts now, before you invoice. Then you deliver, you bill, and factoring turns that invoice into cash. Together, they cover the whole cycle, order to payment, all through one financing relationship. A $300K order funds the production. Factoring the $500K invoice funds the receivable after delivery. That's how growing companies say yes to orders bigger than their balance sheet. Want to say yes and take on your next big project? Fund your purchase order through Sanctorum Capital today.